Okay, hello everyone. Let's see, the options for the upgrade for the workstation ThinkPad P16 Gen 2. So this one is i7 13th generation HX, and what the options, to upgrade the RAM and SSD. So there is two options here in this device. I'm gonna start with the first option. I open the device this way. If I remove this keyboard here, there is two slots for the RAM, one slot for the M2 SSD as an optional upgrade. So how we remove this keyboard? It's super easy. Just like close it this way, flip it to the other side, screwdriver, these two screws, this one and this one, just remove them. Okay, now flip it to the other side, and that's it. What we need to do with this thumbs here, push it back to slide the keyboard under this bezel this way. I might use a tool for this one. This optional tool, but it should slide once you push it. Like if I pushed it this way, because I'm wearing gloves, just like it doesn't help me, but let's do it with the tool. You just want to make sure the screws are released. Maybe it's not. There you are. It's kind of sticky. I'll take off the gloves. Okay, I'll continue to it just with bare hands. It's easier. Once you reach the screws, two screws on the bottom, try to push it all the way this way. You see, now we start to see the gap. Take it this side. Now we have this gap. You can see this gap. All we need now, you need to lift this keyboard up. That's what I will do. I will use this tool. That's it. It's up. Now I will pull it toward myself carefully because it's attached with the cable on the bottom. Now we flip it upside down this way. Well, if you want to remove it to have more room, for the upgrade, that's fine. If you want to work like this, that will be okay. For myself, I just can work this way. So what I will do, I will remove the shield here. There's a screwdriver here. There's a screwdriver to remove the screw. Make sure you don't lose the screws. 2, 3 screws for the shield here. Now it's a little bit tricky. This shield, you have to push it this way and this way. So first this way. When you push it this way, now it's released. Then I will push it up. Very simple, very easy. Now we got 2 slots for the RAM and 1 slot for the SSD. So what my options for the RAM, that will take, this is my upgrade. I will upgrade it. I will just like, this one has no RAMs at all, so I'll put 32 gig of RAM. That will be 5,600. This one is really good. This brand, Silicon Power, sorry, it's really good, and it works very well with the other upgrades. So I will just use 2 16s, then just put it in the slot. There is 1 slot here for the upgrade for the RAM. Let's put it this way. Put it right all the way inside, then push it down. Go for the second one, the second slot. Do the same. Just push it inside. First of all, you push it inside. Once it's inside, then you push it down. Done deal. Now, for the upgrade, I will put 1 tera of SSD, Gen 4. This one is really good. I just pulled it out from a workstation, but this is Gen 4. It's really good. You can see, you know, all the specs. Then I'll put it here. All I need, I'm just gonna put it here. Then I will need a screw. I think that used to have the screw here, but for some reason when I removed it last time, I don't go back. So I will look for a spare screw. I think I have one here. There's a screw here. Now it screws very well. Now we have to put the shield back. So this is the shield. So we push it this way and push it up. Then we have to start from this way and push it back. Okay. So go all the way down here to the side. This way. Put it this way. Make sure this slips inside. Okay. Now I'll push it this way, push it back to lock it up. It's to be locked. Now it's locked. See? It's pretty easy. I think there is another option here for the upgrade, but I didn't check this one. Now I have to put back the 3 screw. First one here. Second one. Now we have to make sure, you know, this is connected very well. If it's loose, we have to undo it and do it again. But now I want to make sure it's all the way in. Now we're done the upgrade. So what I will do, I'll just push it back the same way. Reverse is the same process. Push it this way a little bit. Then make sure you're gonna push it inside under this bezel. Once it's under, now it's good. Now I will push it down. Now I will push it to the front to lock this one up. Now it's good. It's locked up. Make sure a little bit tap. Now close it. Flip it to the back side and tight these 2 screws. Okay. Okay, well, this is the first option for the upgrade. The second option, you got this access door. You remove this access door, it's pretty simple. Undo the screw, then push it all the way down here, then push it like this. Don't use force. Pretty simple. You have SSD, you have 2 slots of RAM here. So now I don't have any RAM, so I will just like skip this one. You can put another 2 slots here, one here and one here. DDRAM 5, 5600, recommended one. Okay, now I have another SSD as secondary storage for this one. Doesn't have to be 4th generation, this is just secondary storage. So I'll put the Crucial P3, it's 1 tera. Okay, as a secondary storage. All I need to remove this metal shield. Then I will put the M2 here. Just make sure it's match the bottom. So this one goes down here this way. So this one goes here like this. Okay. It's pretty simple. Just put it in the place. This way. Sure you match the corners is good. Corner is good. Then you take the whole thing and just put it inside. In the middle will go in this red part. The SSD will go below in the slot. There we go. Sometimes they're a bit tricky. Put it back. Here we go. You have to align the hole. On the hole align, now you put the screw. See the holes aligned on the bottom here? Then you put your screw. I highly recommend, if you're doing it too many times, I highly recommend that you invest in a good screwdriver and good tools. This is not the case here. I have a shitty screwdriver. It's not the great one, but it will do the job. Okay, now this one is on, it's good. With the access door back here, push it a little bit here like this, then push it back. Now it's locked in the place. Now you have to screw the screw. Don't over tight the screws. Now it's good to go. Now the second step that you need to install the system. See if I have power here. Doesn't seem I have power. I need to charge it. Okay. Now I got the charger ready. Put the charger and see what we're gonna see in the upgrade. Like you see, it's really good workstation. You get two Thunderbolt Gen 4. Okay. Now what I will do, I will enter to the PIs and look what I got. Okay, it will take a little bit time to calculate the RAM. Okay. Now I'll enter to the PIs. There will be F1 because there is no system installed. Okay. To see the upgrade, if we got already the stuff that we upgraded here in the system or no. Hopefully yes. Okay, so this is everything about the device, and I will see what I get here. The CPU, it's i7 13th generation. Okay, I will just like go to the configuration here. I will go to main. I just don't want to hide the stuff here. So this is the BIOS number, the machine model, the CPU. See, okay. Now I need to log in the SSD configuration, network. For the startup, the main. This is the RAM that we upgraded. Okay, the RAM that we upgraded here is it, 32 gig of RAM. Okay, now I will look for the SSD. For the startup, display the option. So the option I got it here for the startup. So you got SSD, and the one is 0, the one is 2. Okay, now seems like the upgrade is working very well. Now I need to install the Windows. So what I will do, I will turn it off now, turn this one off, then install the Windows when I get the chance. Okay, now this is successfully upgraded. Again, you get two options for the upgrade. You get the first option here under this keyboard. Okay, the second option, this access door. So you have two slots for the RAM under this two access door, and one SSD slot. Under the keyboard you get the same, you got two slots for the RAM and one slot for the SSD. Okay, thank you everyone, and if you have any question, just like send me the question or comment. I will be able to answer you. Thank you very much.